3 tips to stop obsessing about your health. Health obsession is a real thing. From fixating over the scale to searching the internet daily about symptoms, many people are preoccupied with their level of health. For many, though, this obsessing turns into extreme levels of anxiety, which in turn increase the number of symptoms individuals experience. This creates a vicious cycle. However, there are basic and easy ways to stop fixating over your health, especially if worrying is causing illness. 1. Stop searching the internet. The internet is a wonderful tool. It houses endless academic material on illnesses, treatments, and general information that we sometimes need. However, that does not mean you should be searching every time you believe you're experiencing a symptom. We all know that our favorite medical website can diagnose you with anything from a common cold to the plague with a straightforward search. Just stop. These lists of deadly illnesses and diseases aren't helping you. If you believe you have something wrong, please seek the advice of a medical professional to put your mind at ease. 2. Reframe your thinking. As with most cases of worrying, we tend to jump to illogical conclusions. When you start to have a worst-case scenario or what-if thoughts, take a step back and ask yourself some simple questions. Am I jumping to a conclusion? Do I have evidence for this thought? Why am I worried about X illness or disease? By rationally examining your thoughts, you can most likely rule out dire conditions or find the real reason behind your obsessing. 3. Stop avoiding. If your obsessing has grown to the point of avoidance, it's time to look the evasion in the eye and face the facts. If you avoid going to the doctor for fear of a negative report, or avoid reading the obituaries in the newspaper, then you need to follow through with those actions. Make the doctor's appointment for your yearly checkup, or read an obituary in the paper a few times a week. Taking action on these avoidances will help make them less scary and can aid you in appreciating your health in a way only getting a clean bill of health from your doctor can do. Worrying over your health can take over your days and your life if you're not careful. It takes an immense amount of energy to monitor your body to that extent, and the mental strain it causes is limitless. Take steps to stop the cycle and start enjoying your health.